Number 1. 1977 Harley-Davidson Electroglide, $6,800, Westbrook, Connecticut. The 1977 Harley-Davidson Electroglide represents the heart of the shovelhead touring era, a period that helped establish Harley-Davidson as the dominant name in American long-distance motorcycling. Known for its comfortable ride, classic styling, and unmistakable V-twin sound, the FLH remains a favorite among riders who appreciate vintage touring machines with authentic character. This burgundy example is powered by the legendary 74 cubic inch shovelhead engine and shows just under 22,000 miles. According to the seller, the motorcycle runs great and is ready to ride. With its combination of low mileage, classic touring equipment, and strong Harley heritage, this Electroglide offers plenty of appeal for vintage motorcycle enthusiasts. Number 2. 1949 Indian Scout, $5,800, Maynard, Massachusetts. The 1949 Indian Scout comes from one of the most storied names in American motorcycle history. Scouts earned a reputation for reliability, distinctive styling, and strong performance, helping establish Indian as one of the premier motorcycle manufacturers of the 20th century. Surviving examples remain highly collectible and continue to attract attention wherever they appear. This motorcycle has been customized in traditional bobber fashion, with cut-down fenders and classic cocktail shaker mufflers. The seller notes that it includes many new parts, new tires, and a title, while the engine may require some top-end work before returning to regular use. For enthusiasts seeking a vintage Indian project, this Scout presents an intriguing opportunity. Number 3. 1976 BMW R60/6, $39.95, Seneca, South Carolina. The 1976 BMW R60/6 showcases the dependable boxer twin platform that helped make BMW motorcycles famous around the world. Known for durability, comfort, and straightforward maintenance, the R60/6 became a popular choice among riders who valued long-distance capability and classic German engineering. These motorcycles continue to enjoy a loyal following today. Showing just over 53,000 miles, this blue example is described by the seller as a sweet vintage BMW that runs great and needs nothing. Its simple, honest presentation reflects the practical nature that made these motorcycles so successful. For riders seeking an affordable and usable vintage BMW, this R60/6 appears ready for continued enjoyment. Number 4. 1980 Kawasaki KZ1300, $9,500, Doylestown, Pennsylvania. The 1980 Kawasaki KZ1300 stands among the most impressive motorcycles of its era. Powered by a massive 6-cylinder engine, the KZ1300 delivered smooth performance, strong highway capability, and engineering sophistication that set it apart from many competitors. Today, these machines are highly respected by collectors and enthusiasts of classic Japanese motorcycles. This example has reportedly been owned by the seller for approximately 20 years and has benefited from numerous improvements during that time. Showing around 26,000 miles, the motorcycle reflects long-term ownership and careful attention from someone experienced with Kawasaki models. Its rarity and distinctive 6-cylinder design make it a standout among vintage motorcycles. Number 5. 1971 BSA Thunderbolt, $5,200, Arcade, New York. The 1971 BSA Thunderbolt represents one of the final generations of BSA's famous parallel twin motorcycles. Renowned for strong torque, classic British styling, and a straightforward riding experience, the Thunderbolt became a popular choice among enthusiasts during the golden age of British motorcycling. Well-preserved examples remain desirable today. This green motorcycle is described as an all-original example, showing approximately 7,150 miles. The seller reports that it starts, runs, and idles great, while benefiting from a new set of tires. A previously inoperable speedometer has also been repaired. With its originality and strong running condition, this Thunderbolt offers classic British charm in a usable package. Number 6. 1981 Yamaha XS650, $3,500, Quarryville, Pennsylvania. The 1981 Yamaha XS650 remains one of the most respected Japanese twin-cylinder motorcycles ever produced. Often compared to classic British twins for its styling and riding character, the XS650 earned a reputation for reliability, simplicity, and strong aftermarket support. Decades after production ended, it continues to be a favorite among collectors, custom builders, and vintage motorcycle enthusiasts alike. This orange example shows approximately 9,000 miles on the odometer, although total mileage is unknown. The seller reports that it runs great, looks fantastic, has good tires, and is currently inspected. With its eye-catching appearance and strong running condition, this XS650 appears ready to be enjoyed while attracting attention wherever it goes. Number 7. 1972 Norton Commando 750, $3,800, Salem, New Hampshire. The 1972 Norton Commando 750 is one of the most iconic British motorcycles of the classic era. Famous for its powerful parallel twin engine, distinctive styling, and impressive road performance, the Commando helped Norton compete with the world's leading motorcycle manufacturers. Original examples with matching numbers remain highly sought after by collectors and enthusiasts today. This high rider model reportedly retains its original paint and matching engine and frame numbers, while showing just 4,900 original miles. The motorcycle includes both a title and bill of sale and was last registered in 1974. Although it is currently not running, the bike offers an interesting opportunity for someone looking to revive a largely original Norton. Number 8. 1977 Yamaha XS650, $3,500, Plano, Texas. The 1977 Yamaha XS650 helped cement Yamaha's reputation for producing durable and enjoyable twin-cylinder motorcycles. Its combination of classic styling, dependable performance, and strong customization potential has kept the XS650 popular for generations. Today, these motorcycles are commonly found both in original form and as thoughtfully modified vintage riders. This black example features several upgrades, including a Boyer-Branston ignition, Mikuni VM34 carburetors, charging system improvements, oil cooler, LED lighting, and a new fuel tank. The seller states that the motorcycle runs amazingly, with only minor cosmetic imperfections noted. For buyers seeking a sorted and upgraded XS650, this machine offers a strong blend of performance and vintage character. Number 9. 2003 Honda Shadow Ace 750, $3,500, San Antonio, Texas. The 2003 Honda Shadow Ace 750 combines classic cruiser styling with the reliability that has made Honda motorcycles famous worldwide. Known for smooth V-twin performance and comfortable road manners, the Shadow series became a popular choice for riders seeking dependable custom cruiser platforms. Well-built examples continue to attract attention in today's market. This motorcycle has reportedly been rebuilt from the ground up, using components from several respected custom motorcycle suppliers. Highlights include a hardtail conversion, rebuilt and tuned carburetor, custom wiring, extended controls, and fresh white wall tires with fewer than 200 miles of use. The result is a distinctive custom cruiser with plenty of personality and visual appeal. Number 10. 1974 Honda CB, $750, Marlin, Texas. The 1974 Honda CB comes from the era that established Honda as a dominant force in the motorcycle industry. These motorcycles became known for their dependable engines, straightforward maintenance, and everyday usability. Even decades later, vintage CB models remain popular among riders looking for affordable restoration projects and classic Japanese motorcycles. According to the seller, this project bike only needs carburetor cleaning and a battery to run. The engine is reported to turn over freely, and the motorcycle includes a clean Texas title along with numerous spare and new parts. With drag pipes, a new saddleman seat, and included accessories, this CB could make an interesting and budget-friendly restoration candidate. Number 11. 1967 BSA 650 Spitfire Mark III Special, $6,500, Langhorne, Pennsylvania. The 1967 BSA Spitfire Mark III Special was one of the most exciting performance motorcycles produced during the golden age of British motorcycling. Powered by a high-performance 650cc parallel twin, the Spitfire earned a reputation as one of the fastest production street bikes of its time. Its lightweight construction, aggressive factory tuning, and cafe racer character continue to make it highly desirable among vintage motorcycle enthusiasts today. This example is described as an original, unrestored motorcycle that runs and shifts well while retaining many factory features. Highlights include original paint, Barani alloy wheels, the factory 190mm front brake, dual 32mm carburetors, and functioning gauges. With a clear title, new battery, and impressive originality, this Spitfire represents a rare opportunity to own one of BSA's most celebrated performance models. Number 12. 1977 Kawasaki KZ1000A, $3,200, Gray Court, South Carolina. The 1977 Kawasaki KZ1000A helped establish Kawasaki as a leader in the superbike market during the 1970s. Known for its powerful inline-4 engine, strong acceleration, and dependable performance, the KZ1000 quickly became a favorite among riders seeking serious performance in a street motorcycle. Today, these machines remain highly respected icons of the classic Japanese motorcycle era. This red example is described as a low-mile motorcycle that runs, shifts, and stops properly. The seller reports a smooth and quiet engine, along with a clean title in hand. While the engine does produce some smoke when warm and could benefit from cosmetic attention, the sale includes a new 1105cc top-end kit from Japan, adding significant value for buyers considering future upgrades or repairs.
Number 13. 1986 Harley-Davidson Softail FX STC, $2,200, Farmingdale, New York. The 1986 Harley-Davidson Softail FX STC represents an important chapter in Harley-Davidson history, combining classic rigid frame styling with the comfort of a hidden rear suspension system design. Early Softail models remain popular because of their timeless appearance, strong V-twin performance, and endless customization possibilities. They continue to attract both collectors and custom motorcycle builders. This motorcycle is currently a project that was partially disassembled for repainting and additional work before the project was paused. According to the seller, the engine was running well before disassembly, and the sale includes a box of extra parts. For buyers looking for an affordable Harley-Davidson project with considerable potential, this FX STC could be an interesting opportunity.
Number 14. 1972 Harley-Davidson Electroglide, $5,900, Allentown, Pennsylvania. The 1972 Harley-Davidson Electroglide captures the style and personality that made Harley touring motorcycles famous throughout America. Equipped with classic shovelhead-era character and period touring features, these motorcycles remain favorites among enthusiasts who appreciate vintage American iron. Well-preserved examples often attract attention for their distinctive appearance and historical significance. This motorcycle is described as a Coney Island-style Electroglide, showing approximately 16,900 original miles. The seller purchased it from the original owner and notes that much of the customization was completed during the early 1970s.
While the bike will need some mechanical attention, including fuel and brake system work, it reportedly runs well and retains strong potential as a classic Harley touring machine. Number 15. 1972 Yamaha XS650, $4,800, Dingman's Ferry, Pennsylvania. The 1972 Yamaha XS650 remains one of the most beloved Japanese twin-cylinder motorcycles ever built. Combining classic styling with proven reliability, the XS650 earned a loyal following among riders looking for a motorcycle that delivered both character and everyday usability. Its enduring popularity has helped make it one of the most collectible Yamaha models from the 1970s. This red example is described as being in excellent original condition and excellent running shape. Recent maintenance includes rebuilt carburetors, new carb boots, a new battery, a rebuilt front brake caliper, a new master cylinder, and a new front brake hose. With its strong mechanical condition and largely original presentation, this XS650 appears ready for continued enjoyment on the road.